Alright, so the resource that I'm going to share this week for Module 5 is Tumblr. And this week we've been talking about blended learning or flipped classrooms, and one idea that I had was I remember reading, I think it was for last week, for this class, about how students benefit from when they can revisit things or rewind or pause things, such as when you're in a class where they record all of their things, you're able to pause it and rewind it and then re-listen to something that you could not do that in a regular classroom. And I know from personal experience, a lot of times when professors would do that during college, then students feel as though they don't need to attend class. So I thought about how could I do that in my classroom so that students might be able to re-listen to things or listen to things if they miss class for a sporting event or for sickness reasons. And this is what I came up with. So I already had a Tumblr account, and what you can do is you can add a password. So this site that I created, you can see all my different sites here, but this one right here, it has a passcode. So I'll kind of show you what it looks like. If I click on here, you can see that I need to enter a password. Enter that, and then you're able to access my website. And I can change that passcode anytime I want, and as you can see, I just labeled the class like by the date or topic like I did in this one, and just kind of wrote what I wanted them to do, like take notes in your interactive notebook, or just listen to the song that I'd done for a different class, and they can easily use that. But then I can go onto my site here and scroll down to the bottom, and I can change my password. So say I give it out to one student for a day or whatever, I can go in and change it later, or I can give the passcode out to the whole class and then change it again. I could create blogs for each of my separate grade level classes, but for now I just have one because I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use this in my classroom and how I'm going to record all of these things. And the nice thing about Tumblr is it does have an app, so I could record class on my phone just using the voice recorder and post it through that, or download it on my computer and then post it here. If we go to the home page, you can see that you can do text or photos, quotes, links, a chat, audio, video, and as you saw on mine, this is an audio and then this is a video of like a screencast that I did for a different class, and it's really simple. So how I did this cool to learn thing is I just had the SoundCloud web address, and then it just pops up here and I can type in whatever I need to type in. I'm going to cancel it though because I already posted that. And it's just a really nice way for you to keep students still coming to class, but to have them have the opportunity to listen to it again and give them a sort of flipped classroom structure, or at least a way to not completely miss out if they are sick from what we're talking about in class. And thanks for listening.